How to sign up for the TubeBuddy affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the TubeBuddy affiliate program. If you're looking to earn some extra income while promoting a fantastic YouTube tool, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First, let's understand what the TubeBuddy affiliate program is all about. It's a partnership program with TubeBuddy, a powerful browser net extension and toolkit designed to supercharge your YouTube channel. By becoming a TubeBuddy affiliate, you can earn commissions by referring others to this invaluable tool. The benefits of TubeBuddy affiliate programs are you can earn gorgeous commission for every reference, promote a tool that's essential for YouTube and content creator, access to promotional materials and resources, keep track of your referrals and earnings in real time, a dedicated affiliate support team to assist you along the way. Now let's get started on signing up for the TubeBuddy affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to scroll down a little bit and click on sign up. Read the privacy policy and terms of use, and then check the boxes and click on sign in with Google. As you can see, here it is written you can earn a cut of every dollar they receive from people you refer as long as they remain a paying customer every month forever. They track that clicks, install and purchase TubeBuddy that found them through one of your affiliate links. Then you need to put your affiliate code here and your PayPal email here and then click on submit. By signing up, you agree to the TubeBuddy affiliate program terms. Congratulations! You have successfully applied to become a TubeBuddy affiliate. Now all that's left to do is wait for approval. The TubeBuddy team will review your application and once approved, you will receive an email notification. Typically, this process takes a few business days. Once you are approved, you will gain access to your affiliate dashboard, where you can find your unique affiliate links, promotional materials, and track your earning. Now it's time to start promoting TubeBuddy. You can do this through your YouTube channel, website, social media, or any other platform where you connect with fellow content creators seeking tools to enhance their YouTube experience. And there you have it. That's how you sign up for TubeBuddy affiliate program. It's an excellent way to earn commission while recommending a tool that's essential for YouTube success. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.